Welcome back to the Microsoft Official Academic Course Lab Manual, Installing and Configuring Windows 10 in preparation for exam 70-698. We're slowly making our way through these individual labs and exercises. We are currently working on Lab 8, which is Configuring Data Access and Usage. In this video, we'll go over Exercise 8.3, Configuring Printers. So we're already logged on to CL1 as the Data Administrator from a previous exercise. So here we are. So now what I want to do is right click on my Start button and go into Control Panel. That's right, this edition of Windows 10 doesn't have Control Panel here. So what I'm going to have to do is click on Search and type in Control Panel. Okay, we're going to click on, under Hardware and Sound, it has View Devices and Printers. We're going to go ahead and click on that link. Now you'll see a lot of other printers on here. That's because it's picking up from my live machine. I believe in the typical Hyper-V environment, if you're doing this on MOAC, you'd only have like 3 or 4 on here. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and click on Add a Printer. The printer that I want isn't listed, and we want to add a local printer or a network printer with manual settings, and next. And you'll notice it's on LPT1, it's the printer port, so we're going to click on next, and this is going to be an HP. And we're going to use this one. And then next, and we want to change the share name to HP Color LJ 1600. And next. And then we're going to go ahead and click on Next again and Finish. Okay, if you're required to do so, you're going to do a print screen. You want to specifically make sure you have this new HP Color LJ 1600 shown. So now what we're going to do is go ahead and right click on it and go into Printing Properties. Click on the Sharing tab and click on List in the Directory. Click on Ports, and you want to notice what port is assigned here. Okay, now we're going to go into Security, and you'll see who's allowed to do what. So it looks like everybody's going to be allowed to print, but not everybody can do anything else. So now we're going to click on the Administrator group, and you'll see they have full access except for special permissions. Now we want to click on Everyone and select Allow Manage Documents. So now we're going to go ahead and do OK. Now we want to log on to LON-CL4. So I'm going to close out of this, minimize this, go back into my Hyper-V, and click on my CL4. I think I still have the media CD in here, so I'll go ahead and eject that. We don't need it. We log in. We're going to log in as a data administrator. and then connect. Okay, we'll click on another user. Okay, we're going to put in datum/administrator and password. Okay. Okay. Now let's see if it sees it. Nope, it doesn't. That's okay. I have another idea. We're going to go to Task Manager. And again, this is that trick that I've showed you guys in a couple of other previous videos. You're not going to see in any book. We want to go here and restart, and here and start. Okay. So it sees it. And I can access it from here. See if we can see it from here. Okay, you can see it from here. There we go. Oops. Okay, what I'm going to try and do and make sure the adapter is connected. properties. Three. Okay, so we've checked the switch, everything seems to be working okay, and now it shows up, so now I'll go ahead and click on CL1, and there's the printer we added. We're going to left click, right click, and connect. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to close out of this and go here, right click, and settings, devices, and printers and scanners, and we should be able to see the HP, and there it is, the ColorJet 1600 has been added, and that's what you're going to take your next screenshot. And that is the end of this exercise and the end of this video. The next exercise we will go over 8.4, which is supporting home groups.